Good day to my CIT 105 and uh, and 120 and 130 class. This message is not for those people that are actually doing well in the class. This message is for I've gotten word that since we've gone remote, there have been a lot of students that have stopped coming or stopped participating in the group sessions. And there are a couple of groups that only have one or two people that are participating in the projects. This is unacceptable. As I stated to you once before, flexibility is going to be something that you're going to need within your job. And I've been trying to make this as close to a job experience, a practical job experience as possible. If you did this on a job, you would be fired. So here's what we're going to do. I am not going to grade your projects until what I've done is I've put together an initial team evaluation that I want each of you to fill out. It's on Blackboard, and I want it submitted by midnight on Friday. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at those submittals, and I'm going to determine your grade up to this point by the submittals. I had mentioned it once before, and I don't think a lot of you took me quite seriously. So this is another wake-up call. This week, I'm going to base your grade on the projects up to this point by what your peers tell me, and your peers have been already telling me those of you who are slacking. They've already called me, told me, and reported quite a bit of students that aren't doing anything, 0. So then at the end of the course, I'm going to have the same evaluation. Okay. So those of you that are slacking, what's going to happen is I am going to learn that you are slacking. Okay. Then your grade is going to be reflected. Okay. The projects that we've been doing thus far, more than likely, if in fact I get word through these peer the initial peer evaluations, then if you did not participate, then you will not receive any points. Okay. What I would encourage you to do from now on out is to make sure you participate from now on out, because again, at the end of the course, the same evaluation will be used, and I will do the very same thing. So it can be a case where for those of you that are slacking, it could be a case where you turn around and you do well in the course, or if you continue to slack, you fail the course. So just wanted to make you aware of this. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My telephone number is 502-821-8457. Thank you. And again, I wish you guys the best.